Drool. To let liquid, saliva, come out from the mouth. The delicious smell made me drool. Gulp. To swallow large amounts of food, drink, etc. quickly. I drank the glass of water in one gulp. Swallow. To take something into your stomach through your mouth and throat. It's important to chew your food well before you swallow. Gobble. To eat quickly and noisily. Don't gobble your food. Take your time and chew properly. Plead. To ask for something from someone, often on the verge of begging. He'll plead for forgiveness after his mistake. Stare. To look at something or somebody for a long time. Don't stare directly at the sun, it's bad for your eyes. Ignite. To cause something to catch fire. She used a match to ignite the candle. Poke. To push something or somebody with a finger. I like to poke my friend to get his attention. Lick. To move your tongue across something. She licked the ice cream cone until it was all gone. Slap. To hit something or somebody with your hand. She slapped his face. Pinch. To hold a piece of somebody's skin rightly. She pinched my arm. Flick. A light, sharp, jerky stroke or movement. He flicked his cigarette out of the window. Tickle. To touch someone in a way that makes them laugh. Tickling always makes me smile. Blush. To become red in the face, especially from shame, modesty, or confusion. His words made her blush. Graze. To eat grass or other plants that are growing in a field. The cows graze peacefully in the meadow. Cuddle. To hold somebody or something closely in your arms. It's chilly outside, let's cuddle to stay warm. Overeat. To eat more food than your body needs. Don't overeat before bedtime, it can disrupt your sleep. Confess. To admit that you have done something bad or wrong. Don't be afraid to confess when you're wrong. Yell. To shout very loudly, often because you are angry, excited, or in pain. Please don't yell in the library. Tremble. To vibrate with short, slight movements. Don't tremble, everything will be okay.